Hello guys, welcome to SkillTube. Today we are going to download and install PreDCR UP. For this, you have to open your web browser. Here you have to type PreDCR UP download, or you can directly search for website which is UPOBPAS. So when you click on the website, you will see the home page. Here you will go to downloads, in which you will get the download link for different softwares. But mostly people use AutoCAD, so I am clicking PreDCR for AutoCAD. As soon as I click on the download link, the downloading gets started. Now you have to wait for a while. You can also get the download link in the description. So if you like our effort, you can support us by subscribing the channel. So finally the file is downloaded. Now it's time to install the software. So to install the software, just click on the file and proceed further. You have to only follow the steps I am doing. So you have to just simply click on next, and in company name you can write any text. I am writing here admin, and proceed forward. So the setup is has started. So as you can see, the setup is complete. Now we click on finish button and then click on next. Just follow these steps and you can use the software for free. So finally we are click on install button and the software is installed. When we minimize everything, we can see we get a shortcut on our desktop. So when we click on that shortcut, the PreDCR gets started. But before starting, it will download some updates. Just wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and then after finishing the updates, you can start the software again. So finally, the updates are downloaded. Now we can see these are the updates which are downloaded in our software, but it is not so much important. So we will just cut it and then open the software again. So we will again click on the shortcut, and this time you can see our software get open in few seconds. Now you have to just check if your software is working properly or not. So it is indicated by few icons that you get in the starting. So these are the icons you get after installing PreDCR, and you can also see this PreDCR option in menu bar. So as we can see, the PreDCR is finally downloaded and you can use it. So that's all for today. See you in next video.